Hi, everyone. I'm Laura Adams, and you're listening to the Money Girl Podcast. Before we get started, I want to invite you to an upcoming webinar that I'll be teaching called Understanding Financial Statements, a step-by-step tutorial. You'll learn how to read and understand financial statements, which is an easy skill that can help you run your own business or advance your career. To sign up, visit the Money Girl page at quickanddirtytips.com and get it on your calendar. If you're a regular Money Girl reader or podcast listener, you already know that you have a credit report that shows how you handle all your credit accounts. But if you're like most consumers, you've probably never heard of your Clue report. While it sounds like something used by a private investigator, it actually plays a critical role in how much you have to pay for insurance. In this episode, I'll take the mystery out of these little-known Clue reports by telling you what they are, why insurers use them, and how to keep yours clean so you pay less for insurance. So what exactly are these Clue reports? Well, Clue is short for Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange, which is the most commonly used database of insurance claims in the industry. There's one report for home insurance claims and another for your auto claims, all that were filed in the past 7 years. The reports also include general information about you, such as your name, gender, birth date, and address. Insurance companies that contribute information to the Clue database are allowed to use it to investigate your claims history and factor in the information to set your rate. For instance, let's say you apply for auto insurance with a new company. If they see you made several claims over the past few years with your previous company, they may view you as a high risk for filing more claims and charge you a higher premium. How much more do you have to pay? Well, each insurer weighs information on your Clue report differently. However, a study by InsuranceQuotes.com shows that even filing one home insurance claim can raise your rate 21%, depending on where you live. I'll include a link to this study in the transcript for this show that includes a state-by-state comparison so you can see how your state stacks up. Your Clue report includes detailed information about your claims, such as the insurance company, the claim date, your policy number, claim number, cause of loss, and the amounts paid. But surprisingly, in some states, your Clue report may also include calls you make to an insurance representative to ask about a loss, no matter if a formal claim was filed or any compensation paid out. Therefore, be certain that you really want to file a claim before telling your insurance company that your property has been damaged. If you're only calling to ask general questions about policy coverage, be clear that you do not want to open a claim. If you're wondering what's on your Clue report, you have the right to take a look. You can get a free copy every 12 months, just like with your credit reports. And you can also file a dispute to have any errors on your Clue report corrected. But unlike your credit, your Clue report doesn't translate into any kind of a score. It's simply a summary of all previous claims that have been made on your property. A frequent question about Clue reports is whether you can pull one for a home that you're considering buying. It's a smart idea to know the claims history of a property before you buy it so you eliminate any surprises. If a home has a frequent loss history, even by previous owners, that could increase the amount of insurance that you'll have to pay, even if you've never filed a home claim. Rates may rise depending on the type, age, and amount of losses. But there's a catch. You can only get a Clue report on property that you own. According to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, only an insurer, owner, or lender for a property can access its claims history. Therefore, you or your real estate professional would have to ask the seller of a home you're interested in to request the report for you. The only way to keep your Clue report from causing your home or car insurance rates to rise is not to file claims if you can help it. You should always think twice about filing small claims. Paying for relatively inexpensive repairs out of pocket may end up saving you more money in the long run than having your rate hiked for years to come. Another strategy to save money on insurance and to discipline yourself from making smaller claims is to raise your deductible. This is the amount that you have to pay before your insurance benefits begin. The higher your deductible, the lower your premiums will be. If you want to request a free copy of your Clue report, you'll find a link to get it in the transcript for this show. Just visit the Money Girl page at quickanddirtytips.com and look for episode number 334, called How Your Clue Report Affects Insurance Quotes. I'm glad you're listening. Cha-ching! That's all for now, courtesy of Money Girl, your guide to a richer life.